Welcome to Podopolo, the world's first socially interactive and gamified podcasting network, where podcasters actually profit from podcasting.
Hi, I'm Melinda Whitstock. I'm the CEO and founder of Podopolo, the world's first socially interactive and gamified podcasting network.
Hi, I'm Jason Brandt, the Vice President of Customer Success for Podopolo.
Podopolo is built on a $20 million platform with the power of an AI backend, developed by the co-founder of Amazon Web Services. At its core, Podopolo is a cross-platform social network supported on iOS, Android, and desktop. Podopolo is the only gamified social platform in podcasting that rewards its users for simply doing what they love.
Yes, and as listeners and viewers unlock cool prizes, freebies, and more as they connect and engage around the content, put learning into action to enhance and transform their lives, and engage in world-changing, mission-driven initiatives to improve our world, we're also solving major challenges faced by podcasters and advertisers alike. With our deep audience intelligence, we take the guesswork out of podcast advertising with laser-targeted on-air and on-app inventory so advertisers reach those pre-qualified for their offer. And for podcasters, this means they can finally make money from podcasting. Because 85% of podcasters don't make a dime from podcasting. And that's why we at Podopolo set out with a mission to monetize even the smallest audiences and to do it with social gamification. Because as audiences opt in to gamified daily action, contests, and quests, we learn much more about them than download data. We know how long they listen, we know what they care about, and much more, and we're the first and only to share this audience intelligence with podcasters. It takes the guesswork out of advertising on podcasts because until Podopolo, an advertiser or sponsor was looking for 10,000 downloads an episode, something only 2% of podcasters actually achieve. And we know that even the smallest audiences can be monetized if they're the right audiences. And with gamification, we can drive more ROI for advertisers and sponsors, matching them to the exact podcast communities they know will convert. And on top of all of that, we share 20% of our net advertising revenue with podcasters. Cool, right? And here's how all that adds up for a podcaster. We know gamification drives higher engagement. Our AI-driven engagement tracking provides unrivaled deep audience intelligence from people who've opted in. This demographic, psychographic, interest, and behavioral data enables laser-targeted and interactive advertising and sponsorship on air and on the app. Precision targeting also means higher ad rates. And this is how podcasters can finally profit from podcasting, especially when they also can sell in-app bonus content and their own products and services via our paywall.
Here is a quick look at the type of audience data we have. And here's what we've learned so far. Social gamification enables an average 18.7% consumer brand engagement rate. Compare that to 1.2% on Facebook and 4.2% on Instagram. We see that interactive podcasts are driving an average 3 times engagement, and advertisers and sponsors are excited by the ability to engage interactively with pre-qualified, engaged, and influential customers.
And it's good for listeners and viewers too, as they can win on a daily basis in a way not possible on any other podcasting app or platform. We're going to get to that demo in a moment, but first, here's how it works. People listen and watch, they follow and recommend podcasts, and they're prompted to share their thoughts and earn rewards as they do. The AI-driven community recommendation engine at the back end helps podcasters get discovered and grow their communities. And then, as they engage in conversation, interact with the content via challenges, polls, contests, and quests, perhaps recommending a guest or a topic, contributing to a show, joining a mission-driven or learning quest, they begin to unlock and accumulate rewards. This drives daily engagement to new heights. On the app right now, daily active use is well above 15%, a number considered to be at the very height of daily active user engagement on mobile apps. Podcasters also provide extra value by connecting people to each other and leverage the transformational benefit for people to start to see real growth in their lives, whether personal or business. And of course, users are rewarded in a multiplicity of creative ways. Perhaps they unlock bonuses or exclusive content, become part of an inner circle, win a yoga mat, an Amazon card, a week of coaching, or an opportunity to highlight their business, book, or cause on a popular podcast. These rewards can be sponsored by a podcaster or an advertiser, and for advertisers it's great because they get to engage directly with an active community and put products directly into the hands of their target market. So let's jump into the demo for you now.
Let's explore some of the features that make Podopolo amazing. The entire Podopolo platform is gamified and includes a value reinforcement system based on the science of apps like Angry Birds. We'll start with the customized actions that drive the podcasting community to engage daily. These actions can be customized for sponsors or advertisers to help deliver important KPIs for a brand. Users can easily track an action, post it to the recognition wall, and view and engage with other users' activity. Users can like, comment, and ask podcasters questions, all of which drives engagement. This month, we will be adding the ability to leave audio comments, providing podcasters an additional level of engagement. Live leaderboards. Podopolo recognizes the most engaged users through live leaderboards with real-time rankings. Podopolo can feature sponsors or advertisers in specific categories, using analytics to target at the most granular level. This allows us to offer true brand-aligned representation ranging from the global community to niche markets. Next, let's explore the podcast library. The podcast library is where podcast channels live. Curated content is displayed in a Netflix-style format with the ability to include different brands, events, partners, and prizes and rewards for the Podopolo community. When a user follows a podcast channel, they will be push notified each time a new episode is published. Now let's talk about the training section. Training is perfect for podcasters who incorporate courses, contests, or content that should be consumed in sequence. Easily embedded pictures, videos, audio, PDFs, and CTAs for web links. Content can be hidden or made visible through the use of user tags, and lessons can be configured to require end users to complete the lesson before moving on to the next. Next, I'll show you one of the most powerful features, our built-in chat. Using Smart Chat, we can target users on the Podopolo app based on user tags. For example, if Amy Adams is having an event for her female millennial podcast listeners in San Diego, Amy would be able to reach her listeners in San Diego directly and send out event information through a broadcast. No other social platform offers this level of granular interaction and targeting between podcaster, advertiser, and listener. Now let's talk about how all of these features can be applied to white label a podcaster experience within the Podopolo platform. Podopolo offers podcasters the ability to have their own app within the Podopolo platform, without any of the development cost or hassle. All of the features we just reviewed are customizable for each podcast. Beyond the features, a custom experience provides podcasters with a closed community for their listeners to connect and engage around content, custom podcast actions, contests, and courses aligned with their podcast mission. Analytics are reported hourly with extreme detail, allowing podcasters the ability to make adjustments in content to drive engagement, listens, and downloads. A quick overview of our advanced analytics dashboard. Since we own our data and build our own custom advanced analytics dashboards, there are no limits to the reporting we can provide. We are able to build custom dashboards for sponsors and advertisers with the ability to report exact metrics at the granular level.
We're inviting you to play with us at Podopolo, whether you're a podcaster, a podcast fan, or an advertiser. Yes, make sure you download the Podopolo app. We're in soft launch right now. We'd love you to hop in, play around, take some challenges, and interact with our great podcasters. You can also grab my gamification ebook in the virtual swag bag. And if you're a podcaster or an advertiser, we'd love to have you. Go to podopolo.com and sign up for a demo or a call with our team. And here are all the places you can find me. Have a great day. Thanks, Voice Global.